If you want to connect wired headphones to your Nothing phone 4a, then the only way to do so is by using the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone over here. So this port can be used to connect wired headphones. If you have a wired headphones with a USB-C cable, then you can just use it over here and you should be able to connect your wired headphones pretty easily. However, if you have wired headphones and they have this kind of cable that looks like this, then in this case you need to use an adapter that looks, for example, just like that. So this is a pretty simple adapter that converts 3.5mm headphone jack to USB-C cable. So I can connect now my wired headphones to this adapter just like that, and then I can connect it to my phone and I can use my wired headphones like this. There we go. So this is how we can make it work. These adapters are fairly cheap and also easy to find on such websites as Amazon, for example. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.